Now today we will see the LCM. Full form of LCM is least common multiple. Now we will see by example. Now suppose I want to find out LCM of 18 and 30. So first step what I have to do? First factorize the 18 and 30. I shown here by horizontal method. Now which are the factors for 18? Now 8 is there at a unit place, so it is divisible by 2. So what will come? 2 9s are 18. 2 will come as it is down. Now 9. 9 is divisible by 3, so it will come 3 3s are 9. So which are the factors for 18? 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. Now 30, same, 0 is there at unit place, so it is divisible by 2. We have to take the lowest prime number. Now 2. So 2 multiply by 2 ones are 2, 1 remaining, 1 and 0 become 10, 2 5s are 10, 2 we have to write as it is. Now 5 is there, so is it divisible by 2? No. What is the next step? We have to see, is it divisible by 3? So what is the divisible test for 3? We have to add the number. 5 plus 1 6. 6 is divisible by 3, so it will also divisible by 3. So what will come? 3 5s are 15. So which factors will come for the 30? 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. Now in SCF we took the common factor. Now in LCM we have to take common as well as non-common factor. Now just see here, which are the common factor of 18 and 30? Now which are the common in both, that we have to underline. 2 and 3, I underline those factors and I written also 2 comma 3. Now next is a non-common factor. Now which are the remaining factors which are not underlined? 3 from 18 and 5 from 30. I written those also. So therefore next step, LCM is equal to common factor multiplied by non-common factor. This concept is clear to everyone. SCF means only common factor and LCM means common as well as non-common. So which are the common factors now? 2 multiplied by 3. And which are the non-common factor? 3 multiplied by 5. 2 3s are 6, 5 3s are 15, 15 6s are 90. So what is the LCM of 18 and 30? 90. Clear to everyone? Now suppose I want to find out LCM of 3 number, 60, 48, 30. First step, now there are the 2 ways are there to find out the factor. First is the horizontal, second is vertical. First I will show you the horizontal, then we will move for the vertical. Now 60 is there. Which are the factors for 60? 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. Which are the factors for 48? Directly just see here, 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. And what are the 30? 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. These are the factors of the number. Now when you are finding out the LCM, first as I said earlier to you, we have to take both common and non-common factor. So which are the common factor of all 3 number? Which are the common? 2 is here also, 2 is here also and 2 is here also. So I denoted by the single underline. Now next, which is the common? Now here 2 is there, here 2 is there, but here 2 is there, no, so we can't take that. 3, here also 3, here also 3 and here also 3. Yes, I can take. So which are the common factor? 2 and 3. Now after taking common factor of all 3 number, we have to see the common factor of 2 number, 60 and 48. Now those number those factors which we already took and which are underlined, no need to take again. Clear? So for this purpose, the factors which are taken first only should be marked. Now which are the other common factor of 60 and 48? Just see, this 2 and 2 we already took, so again no need to take. Now next is the 2 and here also 2. Can we take? Yes. This is another common factor. Is anything else is there? No. Why? Because 3 also we took as a first only. Now next, we have to take the common factor of 48 and 60. Is any common factor is there? Already we took 2 and 3. Is any number is there common? No. So what will come here? None. Now next we have to see the common factor of 60 and 30. Which is a common factor among 60 and 30? 5. So this we written. Now after taking common factor from all, now which are the non-common factor? That means which are not underlined, that factor we have to take. Here all are underlined, so nothing will come. From here 2 times 2 will come. Here 30 all are underlined, so nothing will come. So only non-common which will come 2. Clear? Now LCM means what? Common and non-common. So which are the common? This all will come as a common. So 2 multiplied by 3, multiplied by 2, multiplied by 5. And which are non-common? Only 2 multiplied by 2. Will gives the 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 12 5s are 60. 2 2s are 4. My answer will come 240. That means when 3 numbers are there, we have to take common factor of all 3 first. Then we have to take common factor of first 2. Then common factor of last 2. Then common factor of first and third. And lastly, which are the non-common factor. This is the step for the horizontal method. But instead of doing this too much big procedure, we can do it in an easier way. That method is called as a vertical method. Now, same numbers are there: 60, 48, 30. First step, what we have to see? We have to see that by which lowest prime number all these numbers are divisible. That is the first step. What I said, we have to see by which smallest prime number all are divisible. Now 0 is there at unit place. Here 8, here 0. So all are divisible by 2. So first I divided by 2. So what my answer will get? 2 3s are 6, 2 0s are 0. Next 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8. 2 1s are 2, 1 remaining, 1 and 0 become 10. 2 5s are 15. So whatever question I got, that will become as a dividend for the next step. Now here which dividend I got? 30, 24, 15. Now again, as I said earlier to you, what we have to see? We have to see, are these all 3 numbers are divisible by any smallest prime number. Now here 0 is there, here 4 is there. So both are divisible by 2. But 15 is not divisible by 2. So we have to stop here itself? No. If 3 numbers are not divisible by same prime number, which 2 numbers are divisible? We have to divide by that number. Now as I said, 0 and 4. So both are divisible by 2. So what I have to do? Here divide by 2. Write here 2. And what question you will get? 2 1s are 1 remaining, 1 and 0 become 10. 2 5s are 10. So what answer I got? 15. 2 1s are 2 2s are 4. What answer I got? 12. Now 15. I am not dividing 15 by 2. So 15 we have to write down as it is. This concept clear to everyone? As I said, if all 3 numbers are not divisible, we have to see if any 2 numbers are divisible by smallest number, then we have to divide. And rest number we have to write down as it is. Now next what we got as a dividend? 15, 12, 15. Now all are divisible by 3. So divide by 3. What answer I will get? 3 5s are 15. 3 4s are 12. 3 5s are 15. So what next I got the dividend? 5, 4, 5. Now 5, 5 and 4 is there. 4 is divisible by 2. So if all three numbers are not divisible, if two numbers are not divisible, we have to see any number is divisible by lowest prime number. Yes, 4 is divisible by 2. So here I divided by 2. So what 5, is it 5 is divisible? No. So we have to write down as it is. 5 will come as it is. 2 2s are 4. What answer I will get? 2. And 5 will remain as it is. So next dividend what I got? 5, 2, 5. Now here 5, here 5. Are they divisible by any number? Yes, they are divisible by 5. So what next will come as a 5? 5 ones are 5. Now 2 is not divisible. So 2 will remain as it is. And next also 5 ones are 5. So what answer now? 2. Here again no need to do 2 ones are 2. If you are stop our method here, then also okay. So I want to find out LCM. So what I have to do? We have to take these factors also and these factors also. This concept is clear to everyone. So what my LCM will come? 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 3 multiply by 2 multiply by 5 and multiply by 2. So 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 2s are 24, 24 5s are 120 and 122s are 240. In both way, my answer comes 240, same only. But this is the easiest way to find out the answer. I will show you one more example. Numbers are given 30 and 50. First step, we will factorize 30 and 50 by vertical method. 30 are written here. Now 0 is there at unit place, so it is divisible by 2. I written here 2. 2 ones are 2. 1 remaining. 1 and 0 become 10. 2 5s are 10. So what my answer? 15. 15 is a dividend for the next term. Now 15. 5 plus 1 6. So it is divisible by 3. So I written here 3. And what answer will come? 3 5s are 15. So I written 5 here. Now 5. 5 ones are 5. So which factors now I got? 30 is equal to 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. These are the factors for 30. Now 50. 0 is there at unit place, so it is divisible by 2. 2 2s are 4. 1 remaining. 1 and 0 become 10. 2 5s are 10. So what my answer? 25. So now 5 is there at unit place, so it is divisible by 5. 5 5s are 25. I written here 5 as my answer. And it is a dividend for the next term. 5 ones are 5. So what my factors are there for the 50? 2 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5. This concept is clear to everyone. Now I want to find out LCM. As I said to you earlier, LCM means what? Common and non-common factor. Which are the common factor? Just here. 2 here also. 2 here also. So 2 it is a common. So first step we have to underline that common factor. Second, 3 here 3 is there. Here 3 is there. No. So it is not a common. 5 here 5. Here also 5. So put the underline. So which are the common factor? 2 5. I written here common factor. And which are the non-common factor? The factors which are not underlined will come as a non-common factor. So 3 multiplied by 5. So this will come as a non-common factor. So 2 5s are 10. 3 5s are 15. So my answer will come 150 as the LCM of 30 and 50. This concept is clear to everyone. Based on that concept, we have problem set number 13. Now my first problem, 12, 15. I want to find out LCM. We will do it by vertical arrangement. I written 12 and 15 here. 2 plus 1, 3. 5 plus 1, 6. So both are divisible by 3. What I said first, we have to see all number should be divisible by 1 prime lowest number. Now which is the lowest number? 3. So we divided here by 3. So what my answer will come? 3 4s are 12. 3 5s are 15. This concept is clear to everyone. Now 4 and 5 I got next dividend. 4 is a composite, so it can divisible by any small prime number. But 5 is not a composite, it is a prime. So it remain as it is. Now 4. 4 is divisible by which lowest prime number? 2. So divide by 2. So 2 2s are 4. And 5 will remain as it is. This concept is clear to everyone. So now, what is the LCM we got here? As I said earlier, we have to take these factors also and these last factors also. So what LCM will come? 3 multiplied by 2, 2 multiplied by 5. What I said? 3 multiplied by 2 in one bracket, and these down factors we have to write on the next bracket. So it will come multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5. 3 2s are 6, 5 2s are 10. So my LCM is 60. Clear to everyone? Now just see the next one. 6, 8, 10. Write down in a vertical form all these three numbers. First step, what we have to do? We have to see all numbers should divisible by smallest number. 2. 2 3s are 6. 2 4s are 8. 2 5s are 10. This I got. Now next, which dividend I got? 3, 4, 5. 3 is a prime number. 5 also prime number. So they remains as it is. Now 4 is a composite. So yes, I have to divide that number by lowest prime number. Which is the lowest prime number? 2. So what will come? 3 remains as it is. 2 2s are 4. So what answer will come? 2 here. And 5 as a prime remains as it is. This concept is clear to everyone. We have to stop our step here itself. Clear everyone? So what LCM will come here? As I said, these factors and downside factors. So it will come 2 multiplied by 2 in one bracket and down factors on the one bracket. 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5. So what answer will come? 2 2s are 4. 3 2s are 6. 6 5s are 30. 4 30s are 120. So my LCM came as a 120. Clear everyone? Now third one. Third is 18 and 32. Again, write down in a vertical form. Here 8 is there, here 2. So both are divisible by which number? Okay, see the next one. 18 and 32. Both are divisible by 2. So divide by 2. So what my answer will get? 2 9s are 18. 2 16s are 32. Now 9 and 16 both are not divisible by one number. But 9 is divisible by 3. So yes, I can divide. 3, I can divide 9 by 3. So I written here 3. And what answer will get? 3 3s are 9. Now 16 is not divisible. So I will write 16 as it is. Now here I got 3 as a prime number. But 16 is a composite number. So we have to divide 16. So it is divisible by lowest prime number 2. So I written here 2. 3 will you have to write down as it is. 2 8s are 16. I written here 8. So which new dividend I got? 8. 3 already prime number. So no need to take again. 8 we got. Now here 2 4s are 8. Next 2. Here also 3 we have to write down as it is. 2 2s are 4. So last which number we got? 3 and 2. We have to stop here itself. So what the LCM will come? We have to write down these and these factors. So what will come? 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 will come on the one bracket. Multiply by this will come on the other bracket. Clear everyone? So my total answer will come as a 288. This concept is clear to everyone. Okay. Next is a 45 86. Now 45 and 86 are co-prime number. What is the meaning by the co-prime number? In these two number, only one is a common factor, nothing else. So if the numbers are co-prime, what is LCM will come? Their LCM is always come their number products. Products means what? Multiplication. 45 multiplied by 86. Answer will come 3870. Clear everyone? What I said? LCM of co-prime number always comes product of that number itself. Clear everyone? Now next 10, 15, 20 are written in a vertical form. Now all these number are not divisible by any one number. So I can divide any two number by any one prime number. Now 10 and 20 both are divisible by 2. So I can divide. Yes, I can divide. So what answer will come? 2 5s are 10. Now 15 is not divisible by 2. So we have to write down as it is. And 20 it is divisible by 2. So what answer will come? 2 10s are 20. So which new dividend I got? 5, 15, 10. Now you just see over here. Now 10 is divisible by 2. So 5 write down as it is. 15 as it is. 2 5s are 10. Understood everyone? Now which new number I got? 5, 15, 5. All are divisible by 5. So I divided here by 5. 5 1s are 5. 5 3s are 15. 5 1s are 5. Clear everyone? I have to stop here itself. Till which step we have to do? Unless and until we are not getting prime number as a last step, we have to do the division. Clear everyone? So what my LCM will come? These factors and these factors. So 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 3 is equal to what will come the answer? 16.